Ilara, rise and shine. We are late.
I am awake, Aiden. I am making eggs and toast right now.
Mom, I can't find my blue sneakers. I need them for gym class.
Leo, please check under your bed. Lily, sweetie, don't throw your spoon.
I found one shoe, but where are my car keys? I am always in a rush.
Your keys are on the kitchen table, Aiden, right next to your coffee.
Oh, thank you. Leo, did you find your sneakers?
Yes, they were in the bathroom. Why were they there?
I don't know, buddy, but we need to step on it. The school bus is coming in 5 minutes.
Wait, Leo, here is your lunchbox, Aiden. Here is your bag.
Thanks, honey. Is everything ready?
Yes, go, go, go.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Lily.
In this lesson, we used some common American expressions. Here is what they mean.
Rise and shine. This is a friendly way to say, wake up and get out of bed.
In a rush.
When you are moving very fast because you don't have much time.
Step on it.
An American idiom that means hurry up or go faster, usually when driving or leaving.
Buddy.
A very common and friendly American word for friend or son.